In today's video, we're going to see the difference between
crème brûlée and crème caramel.
Okay, let's try this one. Listen first. You see the caramel is hard now, so we can break it like this. For the crème brûlée, you're gonna need 6 egg yolks, 100 grams of sugar, and a half a liter of heavy cream. Mix well the egg yolk and the sugar. Then pour the cream on the eggs while stirring. Then you can put the mixture into ramequins. For crème brûlée, normally we use low ramequins. For the crème caramel, you will need 3 eggs, 75 grams of sugar, half a liter of milk, and 75 grams of sugar for the caramel. Heat the milk to a boil with the vanilla bean inside. Mix the egg and the sugar. Then pour the milk on the mixture while stirring. Then you can make your caramel. To make the caramel, first put the third of the sugar and cook it on medium-low heat. When the sugar is soft and gold, put the second third on top. When everything is melted, put the remaining third. Until it's all soft and golden brown. You can then pour it in your ramequins. Then you can put your egg, sugar and milk mixture on top of it. Both of them will be cooked on a bain-marie, which means you want to put water in your tray and then put the ramequins on top. You want to cook it at 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. You'll know that it's cooked when you shake your ramequins and it's not liquid like water, but still shaking a little bit. Okay, so first we're gonna do the crème brûlée. So we cooked our crème brûlée, now it chilled a little bit, and we're gonna see how to burn it. So the best way to burn it is first to put some sugar. And you see, I'm shaking it like this to move the sugar to have a little bit everywhere. Then I take my torch and I will start near me and I'm gonna go forward. So you look, tu vois, I start here and then when it gets colored, I go further. Whoops.
Very strong.
A little bit too strong. So we already have a nice coloration, but to make it even better, I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. And I'm gonna burn it 2 times. Same again, I start near me, and I go away. Make sure that all of the sugar is turned into caramel and that you don't burn your crème brûlée. Okay, now let's
Try crème brûlée.
try to see what's happens with the creme caramel.
Wow.
Where's my spoon? Okay, take a bite.
Yes.
So this should be like this. Normally.
Very good.
Yeah, we have a strong caramel flavor. The cream is good. Not bad. So the cool thing about creme caramel is that because you have your caramel inside, you don't need to worry when it's time to serve it. So if you have friends over, you just take it off the fridge and it's ready to go. What do you think?
Good.
Good. Just good? Okay. And now, the creme caramel. Listen. You can hear?
Yeah.
The caramel on top now is hard. So that's the good thing about it, because it's going to be crispy. So we cut it in half, because if I take more than half, Valentine is going to be angry. And we try it. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
You don't take caramel? You can hear? That's really good with the crispy caramel like this.
Yeah.
So which one do you prefer? Creme caramel? Okay. If you like this video, don't hesitate.
Like
You can also subscribe and hit.
the bell.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye.